Hey, my name is Connor, and welcome to Crypto Empire, where we dominate the crypto markets. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the Kusama ecosystem as the Parachain auctions have begun. We're going to be depositing Kusama into the Karura Parachain auction in this video. I'll show you how to do that. And then after that, we're going to be taking a look at the overall market because it looks like Bitcoin is about to break either up or down. So make sure you stick with me until the very end as I'll be diving into the charts to give you my thoughts on what the highest degree of probability event will happen. So if you are new to Crypto Empire, be sure to smash that subscribe button, hit the like on this video, comment down below, share it with your friends, make sure you have all bell notifications turned on, and let the gains be with you. So the Karura Parachain auction has been live now for a couple of days, and I just wanted to hop in here very quickly because I want to show you how to actually deposit your Kusama tokens to get those KAR, those precious KAR tokens. And now right now, this ends in about 1 hour time. You get an additional 10% CAR. It ends in 26 minutes. I apologize for not getting this video out sooner, but I did update my community in Telegram as soon as this auction did start, and you could have been able to get that 10% bonus for the past like 2 days. So again, you need to be in that free Telegram group, the Crypto Empire Telegram group. Link is down in the description below. But this auction is going to be going on for a few weeks. So this is here for you guys if you do want to participate. However, you won't be able to snatch that early bird bonus. So essentially, all you need to do is come to akala.network, and this is where you deposit your Kusama tokens to get your Karura. So the first thing you're going to need to do is connect your Polkadot.js wallet extension. You should already have that installed. I showed you how to do that in my previous Karura video. So go ahead and make sure you have the correct wallet with your Kusama connected, and also make sure you have in the settings tab you have manage website access, you have akala.network allowed here, or else this won't work. So connect your wallet with your Kusama, put in the amount of Kusama you want to contribute. Make sure you use a referral code for the additional 5%. This is Francis from the Crypto Lifestyle, his referral code, so he'll be getting an additional 0.654 as well with me. So let's go ahead and submit this contribution. So we'll go ahead and put in our password for the transaction. All right, this is the second time that I'm contributing, so let's go ahead and wait for this circle to fill up and lock in our Karura tokens. Very exciting stuff. So just to remind you guys, what happens now is at the end of the auction, we get 30% of our Karura tokens, and then over the 48-week leasing period of this Parachain slot that Karura will most likely be securing, they're the leader by far in terms of money contributed, 340k Kusama. That's the most out of all the Parachains right now. Other good ones are Moonriver and Shiden is good as well. But yeah, we'll get 30% at the launch, and then over the 48 weeks, our tokens will be sent to our wallet. So, and then we get our Kusama back at the end. So the only risk I am taking here is if Kusama goes up, I won't be able to cash out my Kusama for capital gains. But that's fine. I want to hold on to the Kusama asset because it has a finite supply, and I do see it increasing in value as the years do go on and as the powers of Kusama and Polkadot are realized by everybody around the world. I do expect Kusama to go up a lot in value in the future, so I have no problem locking it up for 48 weeks and getting it back in exchange for some Karura tokens. Okay, so don't mind my change of shirt. I'm coming at you one day in the future now to pick up where we did leave off, and that is taking a look at the market overall. Before we do that though, I do want to show you the leaderboard of the current Parachain auctions. We have Karura coming in at 347k Kusama. In second place, we do have Moonriver coming in at 67,454 Kusama contributed to the Crowdloan. And then coming in third place is Shiden. Shiden currently has 61,045 Kusama contributed. So these will be going on for about 12 more days, I do believe, 11 or 12 more days. So you do still have time to contribute to the crowd loans. Karura in the lead. I am very bullish on Karura. And Moonriver, I did make videos both on my channel and on Francis the Crypto Lifestyle channel about Moonriver. So go ahead and check out that video if you want to learn more about what Moonriver is. Essentially, it's helping all Ethereum projects move over their smart contracts to the Polkadot ecosystems. It's going to be a big one, very important part of the Polkadot and Kusama ecosystems. So check that video out. With that being said, let's take a look at what's happening in the markets. And I'm going to be straight up with you guys. I'm not going to give you hopium that's not there. It's still not looking too good. We're chopping around. Bitcoin is currently trading at $35,785. ETH, $2,406. Right now, Kusama still is holding above $400, so that's good to see. Let's hop into the charts right now. First chart I do want to show you is the Bitcoin dominance chart. So we are having a bit of a reversal signal in the charts. I do have to point this out to you. I personally, with all the narratives going on, we have the Bitcoin Taproot upgrade. We have El Salvador making Bitcoin legal tender. There's talks of other countries, other nation states making Bitcoin legal tender. So I have a personal hunch. This is not financial advice, but I have a personal hunch that we're going to enter into a market where Bitcoin is leading the way again. Bitcoin dominance will rise, suck a lot of the life out of altcoins. So I am watching for that. We will see what happens, but the reason I'm saying that is because we created a lower low and then we created a higher low actually. So what I am looking for is another higher high and then a lower high to confirm this uptrend that the market is actually changing direction and Bitcoin dominance is starting to go up again, meaning that it's not going to be great for altcoins. So I am keeping close tabs on the Bitcoin dominance chart. The inverse correlation to the Bitcoin dominance chart is the total 2. And as you can see right here, we're on the daily, and we are appearing to be breaking to the downside for the total 2. So, man, it's not looking good right now for crypto, to be straight up with you. But, of course, we're still in the range. So unless we do, I'll get straight to the point here for my Bitcoin analysis. If we break beneath $29,500 and we have a close on the daily, then it's time to ring the alarm bells like crazy. But until then, I'm neutral. I'm waiting to see what is happening next. We have this yellow line up here as well at $37,300. This is a breakout level. We need to break above this line to head higher. So I do have this descending wedge pattern that we are trading in right now. And this will most likely, if we're talking in probability terms, break to the downside because this would be a trend continuation pattern, right? We're in a downtrend. We are beneath the 200 EMA on the daily. That's a skinny red line here. And we're creating lower lows, lower highs and lower lows. So technical analysis will tell you we're in a downtrend. Now we're creating a descending wedge. So the thing we do next is break lower to the downside. However, with that being said, we do have a lot of fundamental momentum keeping this market up right now, and that's the fact that the world is waking up to Bitcoin. Not as much as we need to yet. El Salvador is a very small country. It has a very small GDP, not the biggest economy. However, it's creating a ripple effect. Just like when you throw a little pebble into the pond, it ripples, it ripples, it ripples, right? That has a lasting effect. And this is the same thing right here with El Salvador, and I do expect many other nations in South America to follow suit and make Bitcoin legal tender, start accepting Bitcoin as payments for taxes for all their municipalities and such. I do expect them to integrate it into their everyday life, just like El Salvador has done. But the charts really, we have to be realistic and look at what the charts are telling us. And it's really looking very suboptimal at this point in time. So I did give you my bearish scenario, and that's we break to the downside if we close beneath the $29,500 level. Now the bullish scenario right now is we reclaim the 200 EMA on the daily. I really do believe that right here, it's at $41,000 right now. This is like the line that must be crossed for Bitcoin and really all of cryptocurrency, because Bitcoin is the king. There's a lot of talks right now. EIP 1559 is going live next month, and a lot of people are saying that Ethereum is a better store of value and all that kind of stuff. I'll be straight up, I disagree. Bitcoin's the king in my eyes. Bitcoin rules the cryptocurrency market. I'm heavily exposed to altcoins, don't get me wrong, but you got to pay respect where respect is due. And the king is the king. So I did also mention the Bitcoin Taproot update, and we can hop into a NASDAQ article. Taproot locks in, Bitcoin protocol upgrade will activate in November. So it is just confirmed today on June 12th. However, we won't be seeing it go live until November. And essentially, Taproot is the Bitcoin protocol upgrade that makes smart contracts more private and more compact. has locked in. As of now, more than 90% of all blocks that will be mined in the current difficulty period have signaled support for the upgrade, which means that Bitcoin core versions and newer will start enforcing the new rules in November of this year. So that is another reason why I don't think that the bear market is in full effect. This upgrade was in the process for 4 years now, and it's going to finally go live in November of this year, was just confirmed today. So we have a lot to look forward to for cryptocurrency, and I think we might be having a 2013 scenario where we have a double top. We had a hard pump, which we just experienced at 65K. We retrace, we chop around in a range. Maybe we test lower, but I do believe that this market will recover this year. And I do believe by the end of this year, we will make a higher all-time high than 65K. I'm still bullish overall. I do think we'll be hitting over $100,000 per Bitcoin in 2021. Just remember, I know a lot of you guys are down right now in your portfolios, myself included, but tough times don't last. Tough people do. So keep your chin up, keep dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin and the strong altcoins, and be sure to always keep the macro vision in mind, because there is no doubt in my mind that the world needs cryptocurrency and the world needs Bitcoin. The financial system is distraught. Everything is collapsing right now, and Bitcoin fixes everything. And cryptocurrency, all the altcoins, they have some amazing protocols. They do some very amazing things, and I do see them holding their value in the future as well. Most of them will lose their value, but the strong altcoins, the ones that I cover on this channel, I do believe will be here to stay. So with the overall crypto market still looking very uncertain at this point in time, we do have the Kusama Parachain Crowdloans now live. So I definitely recommend to get your Kusamas in if you want to participate. Remember, the only opportunity cost, or the only cost you're paying, is the opportunity cost of not being able to sell your Kusamas for 48 weeks. I'm willing to pay that price. So if you do want to get your hands on those precious Kusama ecosystem tokens like Karura, Moonriver, Shiden, etc., I definitely recommend you participate in the auctions now when they are live before they do finish. And then as far as the market goes in trading, still very choppy market conditions. We are on the sidelines at Crypto Empire waiting for the market to give us a clear direction to trade. I hope that you did enjoy this video. If you did, smash that like button, leave a comment down below. If you're new to Crypto Empire, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you have all bell notifications turned on as well. And my name is Connor from Crypto Empire, and we will see you in the next video.